Let's go on to a game called Sound Effects. This is Sound Effects. This is for Colin and Ryan. Colin, you're going to improvise a scene, but you're going to have to respond to sound effects made by Ryan. Your scene is an emergency room surgeon gets called in on New Year's Eve. An emergency room surgeon gets called in on New Year's Eve, yeah.
Ray, help. Hey, what the hell are you doing?
Not only was it entertaining, it was informative. It's kind of like watching the Learning Channel. Ryan, you get all the points due east, you get all the points due west. Points east, points west. You know, I only got so many points jokes and I'm running out. I ran out.